Hello everybody, we are getting ready to take off. We're going to do the VFR flight corridors over the Grand Canyon.
Here we go.
So this is how we fly in the Grand Canyon Special Flight Rules area, or SFRA. The shaded areas that you see depicted on the chart are no-fly zone areas, and you can't fly those below 14,500 feet. There are 4 corridors to fly through the Grand Canyon. Starting from west to east, the first one is the Tuck Up Corridor. Next is the Fossil Canyon Corridor. After that is the Dragon Corridor. Then the furthest east, and probably the most popular corridor, is the Zuni Point Corridor. And if you're in this sector, monitor 127.05, and the most eastern sector, monitor 120.05. So flying northbound, you fly at either at 11,500 or 13,500 foot MSL. And then flying southbound, you either fly at either 10,500 or 12,500 MSL.
Prescott Tower information, Mike 1453 Zulu, wind 300 at 11, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 16. Dew point -2, altimeter 3002. Video approaching east, landing runways 3 right and 3 left. Advise on initial contact, you have Mike.
Prescott ground, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, and Cutter Aviation with Mike, VFR departure to the north.
8th November is current at Prescott, altimeter 3003, wind 320 and 9 gust 17, runway change in progress, runway 30 will be the active runway shortly. November 80 Papa Echo, Prescott ground, where are you at again?
We're at Cutter Aviation with November, ready to taxi with a northbound VFR departure.
November 80 Papa Echo, roger, runway 30, taxi via Delta Echo.
30 via Delta Echo, 0 Papa Echo.
Riddle 3, roger, runway 30, taxi via Foxtrot.
Runway 30 via Foxtrot, Riddle 3.
Prescott Tower, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo at Echo 130, ready for departure.
Cessna 0 Papa Echo, runway 30, line up and wait, traffic Cessna, join at 3 mile final.
30, line up and wait, 0 Papa Echo.
Approaching runway 30.
Wind 320 14 gust 18.
Entered runway 30.
It's got a little downhill on this one, doesn't it?
Oh, it sure does. Wow.
Cessna 0 Papa Echo, fly straight out, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30 straight out, clear for takeoff, 0 Papa Echo.
Wind 320 11 gust 18.
Instruments are green.
43 is very final.
Speed's alive.
43, thanks. Riddle 43, runway 30, clear to land. Clear to land 30, Riddle 43.
Skylane 80 Papa Echo, Prescott Tower, right turn northbound approved.
Right turn northbound approved, 0 Papa Echo.
Cherokee 484, Niner Lima, Prescott Tower, how this approach terminate?
Gosh, it's beautiful out this morning.
It is.
Did you say the altitude north is?
7.5 north, 10.5 south.
Okay. Boy, it's flat out this way.
Oh. Yes. I'm going to start a slow climb to 11.5.
I see that little airport now, and that plane that was over there is landing. I can see.
I can see the airport right off the wing there.
Yep. On the mountain over here.
Yeah, I see that. This valley right there.
Oh, yeah.
We had planned on landing at Valley and staying under the canvas there just right off the airport, but they went private, and so we're going to do a Rev 2, and we're just going to land at Grand Canyon Airport and rent a car and drive down to Valley.
Ready to get over the edge here in a minute. My gosh, this is gorgeous up there. Look at that.
Oh, wow. So amazing. It just drops off.
I know, it's just a sheer drop. We're gonna get some updrafts here coming over this edge.
That's what I figured.
Grand Canyon traffic, Skylane November 80 Pop Echo entering the Zuni corridor, northbound 11,500.
Oh my gosh. Got the river right here.
Unbelievable.
Oh.
Grand Canyon traffic, Skylane November 80 Pop Echo is at Gunter's Castle, northbound 11,500.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow, there's awesome canyons just sitting in the Grand Canyon. It's just,
Yeah.
snow on the ground over here.
Where is there?
Yeah. Underneath the trees.
Grand Canyon traffic, Skylane 80 Pop Echo entering the Grand Dragon corridor 10,500 southbound. Grand Canyon Skylane 80 Papa Echo, doing base to final, 3 mile final, 03.
Skyline 0 Papa Echo, wind 2707, runway 3, clear to land.
Runway 3, clear to land, 0 Papa Echo.
Wind 28012, gust 18, runway 3, clear to land number 2, traffic is a Cessna on about a half-mile final for runway 3.
Traffic in sight, clear to land, runway 3, number 2, X404.
An updraft.
Papa Echo, turn right, Echo, and contact ground point 910.
Turn right, Echo, and ground point 9 0 Papa Echo.
Cessna 0 Papa Echo, will you be going to the north ramp?
Affirm, 0 Papa Echo.
Roger.
Grand Canyon ground, Skylane 80 Papa Echo, clear 3, and Echo heading to the ramp.
Cessna 80 Papa Echo, Canyon ground, taxi to the north ramp via Papa.
North ramp via Papa, 0 Papa Echo. So we had updrafts and downdrafts, and
Oh, I know it.
oh, there it is.
Yeah, I see it now.
Grand Canyon Airport information, golf, now current wind 28010, gust 23, altimeter 3005.
Just take this one up.
Looks good to me.
Good deal.
Yeah, wasn't a great landing, but oh well.
After picking up our rental car through Monty at the FBO, we took the short drive up to the Grand Canyon Village. From there, we ate at the El Tovar Hotel, and the food and the atmosphere there was excellent. Janis had the chicken salad sandwich, and I had burger with fries, and the fries were battered and very good. Chocolate lava cake for dessert, along with, for me, a chocolate mousse. And of course, we had to take a few obligatory pictures at the Grand Canyon, even though those views were wonderful. Nothing beats the views from an airplane flying through the corridors. And I would highly recommend and encourage any pilot that's thinking about doing it, just pull the trigger and just do it. It was a short drive from the Grand Canyon Village to the town of Valley, where we also stopped and visited the town of Bedrock. And from there, we went to where we're going to be spending the next couple of nights at Under the Canvas.
Flintstones, meet the Flintstones, they're a modern Stone Age family. From the town of Bedrock, they're a page right out of history. Let's ride with the family down the street, through the courtesy of friends to beat. When you're with the Flintstones, have a yabba dabba do time, a dabba do time, or have a gay old time.
Yeah, this was kind of a corny, but it was really a fun experience. It just reminded me of the time growing up traveling across the U.S. at these little roadside attractions. It was just always very entertaining as a child, and just kind of got to relive that a little bit. And from there we went to the Under the Canvas, and this was a very unique experience. This is kind of the main tent. This is kind of the meeting place where you eat and get entertainment and play board games and just sit around and drink coffee or just relax a little bit. Or in our case, it was the only place that had 110, so we could download some of our videos so we wouldn't overload our hard drives. Then they have a lot of outdoor areas with a variety of activities, from cornholing to roasting marshmallows and just relaxing.
Yeah, what's
inside. We have plenty of firewood. Nice little deck chairs right there. Then open zipper. And it's pretty nice in here. Nice comfy bed. Little sitting area. There's our wood stove. We'll be lighting it tonight. It's supposed to be down about 39 degrees, I think, by morning, so we'll use it. And it's all batteries, so we have a little fan, some little lights. And our refrigerator, they give us a nice chest with some ice when we come in. So anyway, it's something kind of fun, unusual for us, but we're looking forward to it.
That one's black and shiny. It's amazing.
Our heater for